Hello and welcome to another update video on MSTR. So MSTR is really taking its time. Bitcoin pushed a little bit higher today, but still also consolidating below resistance. And MSTR just couldn't get the momentum up. Please note that MSTR, they will release their earnings on Thursday. It is going to be a very interesting and volatile week. Tomorrow, Fed interest rate decision. The projections are currently suggesting that the interest rates, the Fed rate will be reduced. Again, the decision will be made tomorrow. I mean, I guess it's made already, but it will be announced tomorrow. But yeah, this is all about projections, estimates, expectations. Just something that's probably priced in already, but I would expect volatility tomorrow. In addition to that, earnings are coming out here on Thursday. So Strategy Inc. are going to release their earnings results on Thursday. Today is only Tuesday, and the pullback remains corrective in nature here, and we're still holding support. So we might still, over the next, let's say 48 hours, see further upside, but it can be a bumpy ride. Now, I already shared with you over the last few days that this move to the upside could be either wave 2 in orange or wave 3 in white. I prefer further upside either way. And then up here, the decision will be made whether it's the white scenario in which we can expect even further upside, potentially even to all-time highs, or whether this is really just a wave 2 bounce. The risk is clearly there that this is just a corrective rally. The risk is there, but we could get some volatility in over the next few 48 hours. And again, it will be a bumpy ride because this move up is not an impulse, as far as I can tell. It's not an impulse. I'm tracking this as a diagonal pattern, as a 1-2 A-B structure, so it kind of makes sense as a C wave. Okay, alternatively, I mean, if we go down much lower, break below this swing low from Friday that formed at $286, maybe it's a larger 1-2 setup, but then wave 1 is a diagonal and this is a wave 2 pullback. But either way, this is the support area I'm offering here because I know we can get some distortions here due to the events this week. So give it a little bit of room. For now, we are stuck below the previous swing highs from last week here that formed around the 20th of October and the 21st of October. Any further downside from here makes it more likely that wave 2 is resetting. But then again, this support level remains relevant and we should not break anymore below the 22nd of October low, which formed here at $276.90. If we break below this level, then there will be invalidation, right? The structure that I'm tracking for higher prices will be invalidated. And the blue scenario in which a wave 2 has already topped will become more likely. At the moment, that's not my clear preference because the move down after that top that formed on Monday the 20th, the move down is only a 3-wave move down. So I don't have any clear impulse down. Yeah, that would be easy. You know, if we had any 5-wave decline pattern here, any impulse down, it would be more clearly bearish, but I don't have that. I don't see that. Yeah, it's a 3-wave move down. It's just that the move to the upside is also pretty choppy, pretty messy, but we have a clear support area to watch. And I'd like to see the market grind further towards $330 going forward. So not much more to say. I wanted to keep you updated nevertheless, and also highlight again that on Thursday earnings will be released. So be ready for volatility also tomorrow due to the Fed interest rate decision. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure to follow our other channels. For example, the Morecryptoonline channel, where we're covering cryptocurrencies every single day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.